Hi, my name's Anne Barker. I was a Bowen therapist and also a remedial massage therapist. I've used both techniques extensively over a period of 25 years. So I guess I feel a little bit reasonably qualified to talk about the difference between the two a little and why I actually prefer Bowen as a technique for healing for people's bodies and minds and souls. Bowen's non-invasive, it's really gentle, there's no affront to the body. The body can accept the Bowen as a natural thing that's happening to it, and it doesn't have to react in any way. There are responses. The body actually does respond with sometimes subtle warmth, tingling, funny feelings, but there's no defense mechanism thrown into action. It's encouraging to the body to heal, where I feel with the remedial massage I've done, it actually is more forceful. It's almost like it's forcing the body into some sort of change, whereas the Bowen simply encourages it, just nudges it along in a certain direction. There are definite patterns within Bowen therapy, so it makes it easy to learn. Once you learn the patterns, which are sort of fairly logical on the moves used on the body, and that is also a source of familiarity for the client, if you like, because they're used to touch in certain places for particular problems, and they become used to that, so that opens them up because they're in a comfort zone. It's an amazing realignment technique. Again, it's encouraging, and with very, very little input, very few moves, it can actually encourage the body into quite profound realignment. It's holistic for the body. It deals with all aspects of healing. We all know that there is the physicality of the body. There is also the body's attitude, if you like. The mental attitude of the person can have a great bearing on how easily they heal. Also, there are things that we don't understand about the body, a bit like for instance, the soul, the spirituality of the body, and Bowen therapy seems to have an amazingly holistic effect on that as well. It changes people's lives, literally. I've seen people walk in really dire straits mentally, and their immune systems don't work properly. A lot of their organs aren't doing their job, and they'll walk out, even if it's sort of temporarily for a couple of days. Sometimes it's not that. Sometimes it's just changed forever. But it literally changes their lives. They sleep better. They move better. They feel more in control, as though they're actually running their life and their life's not running them. One of the biggest changes is the changes in with mental illnesses and things like that. So massage can calm people down a lot. And they love it. They love to feel that. But if you want to make lasting changes, you need to address all three areas, and my experience anyway is that massage doesn't actually do that, whereas Bowen therapy makes that quantum leap between someone who is really suffering from some form of disease of the mind, body or soul back into health. We also believe that it has the capacity to take us back to a blueprint that existed when we were, literally days into our evolution as human beings, right back into a fetal sort of state. So, yeah, I have chosen to make my career in Bowen therapy because of all the reasons I've given you. And, it's just such a powerful technique. Thank you.